Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to address a couple things that I have added in a new version for Smart Lower Thirds plugin for OBS Studio. Recently, a lot of users reported that animations on the lower thirds are not working. This usually happens because your laptop or your PC cannot connect to the CDN link for animate.css. Today I'm going to show you how to download the file and use it in the Pocket Edition on Smart Lower Thirds. The second thing I want to show you is the support for the built-in Websocket plugin in OBS Studio. This way you will be able to show and toggle your lower thirds remotely through a simple WebSocket connection. You will have in the description the download links for the demo. It's just a simple PHP file that you can run locally. And for the animate CSS, you will have the GitHub resources link, and I'll show you how to download and install it. Oh, before we go any further, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment below, and tell me what else you'd like to see implemented in this plugin. Okay, now when you go to the link in the description for Animate CSS, you should go to the last version and just click to download the source code. Save it anywhere you want on the disk. Open it, and the only thing we need from here it's the animate.min.css. Okay, now what you have to do is open your resources folder. This should be usually located in a disk partition where you don't need admin rights. Otherwise, the plugin won't be able to write the required files to run the lower thirds. Okay, with that folder open, let's just grab the animate CSS. Okay, and let's open the HTML with Notepad. As you can see, by default, it comes with the CDN wrap. So if your laptop is not able to access this URL, your animations for the lower thirds won't work. Okay, now if we have the animate min CSS here, we can just go to any of the lower thirds, open and save and apply. This will force the plugin to recreate the HTML, and since we now have the animate CSS in the resources path, the Pocket Edition knows that and uses the animate.css that we have previously downloaded. And this should make the animations work correctly. As you can see, if I go back to OBS Studio and toggle any lower thirds, you'll see the animations work correctly even without the CDN link. Okay, so this part is simple. We have now fixed our animations. And let's move further to presenting you the WebSocket. Now, for that, I will open my project. In the video description, you will have a download link for this demo. And Now I already have PHP installed, but if you put this file on any web server or cPanel, you will be able to connect to the WebSocket. Okay, let's open a terminal here and write php -s 8081 because I already have something running on 8080. Okay, now I can just grab this link, go here, and my file is called WebSocket demo. Let's just copy here. Okay. This is how the demo WebSocket connection looks like. Now, to have this working, we have to go to Tools, WebSocket Server Settings, make sure the server is enabled. Then we go to Show Connect Info, and let's copy the connection string. Okay. We have the port that's by default 4455. If you are using this on a web hosting, I suggest you to use a server password just to make sure nobody is going to connect to your OBS Studio and mess up with your settings. Okay, now when I hit connect, you can see I already have a list of my lower thirds, and now I can control them from my web page. So if I want to show the lower third, I just click here. If I want to hide, I just click here. And I have the toggle option that it's showing or hiding depending on the current state of my lower third. Um, this is just a simple connection. I have only created these three handlers to list or toggle the lower thirds. Now, if I create a new lower third here, if I just click on the plus button, it won't automatically appear here. You have to list the lower thirds again. And as you can see, it appears here. Let's hide this one and only have the new lower third. And we can toggle it. This is pretty much it about the animate CSS issue and the new feature, which is the WebSocket connection. As I previously said, all the download links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and for other videos, please subscribe and like this video and leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.